हक की आवाज अक्स टीवी reaching around the world. A press conference for the justice of Indian Hajj pilgrims was organized by a multilingual online news service for print and electronic media in association with Rahbar Society on 2nd December 2013. Editor Moving Media Bureau Mr. Syed Vikharuddin Ali elaborated many problems about Indian Hajj pilgrims, and he also highlighted difficulties and mismanagement at Hajj House Razzaq Manzil situated in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. The press meet is present here for the decision on justice by the people.
I'm very thankful for the press for the coverage of this press conference. First, I want to introduce this subject. There are two topics related to Hajj. One is about the Hajj pilgrims from India, and another is about the Hajj house present in Hyderabad, situated at Razzaq Manzil Waqf Property Company. First of all, I want to clear that there are many problems for the Hajj pilgrims and intending Hajj pilgrims. Government is making false commitment that they have successfully run the camps. Actually what happens, Hajis don't argue and don't comment and don't complain because after performing Hajj, they think they have to forgive everything. But the government duty is to provide the facility according to the charges what they are taking. One more thing I want to clarify, the Hajj committee is charging the amount and it is not a free service. For every single work they are charging for and from the Hajj pilgrim. Just as you may have about idea, 30 to 40 days packages are there for the Hajj. And due to the subsidy revised and withdrawal of subsidy, the more financial burden is going on from last 2 years on Hajj pilgrims. And the one more important thing that all people, Muslims know very well that Hajj rituals and all the performance are of 6 days and one visit to Madinah Munawwara Sharif. But the whole India should know about that. These are only 6 days required, including a visit to Madinah Munawwara. And for that, government by Hajj Committee of India are charging 30 to 40 days packages. Why these 30 to 40 days packages are being going on? There should be a revised one package from 30 to 40 days, and this package should be enough and more enough to make it from 15 to 20 days. Within these 15 to 20 days, the Hajj pilgrims may perform easily, and with this situation, if the old age people will go through the Hajj packages, they will join easily. Most of them are heart problem patients, joint knee patients, sugar patients, blood pressure, many patients problems are there. It will be helpful for them for making 15 to 20 days package. This is our first thing which we want to clarify, that it is sufficient and more sufficient for Hajj pilgrims, and it will deduct the cost, it will reduce the cost up to 50% what is present cost. And it is useless what we are paying for 20 days. There may be a separate package if someone looking to go for more days, they have to go by private services, they have to go a separate VIP package, they may go 40 days, 50 days, 60 days, what they want, we don't have any objection about that. But the Hajj committee should organize the performance of the process of Hajj pilgrims according to the people of common life and according to the lives and financial burdens on middle class families also, and to provide the facility to avail all. And another thing, there are many differences about the commitments of Hajj committee and the actual happenings, where just I want to clarify that from the Hajj rituals, Hajj is an international journey, and you may aware about that from India thousands of illiterate people are traveling, and they are traveling from international airport. They are traveling the same thing. The procedure is same. Immigration should be same. Custom should be same for all. Then why it is going on? What should be the right path for the services? The immigration, custom, baggage, luggage for all other international flights are only before 3 to 3.5 hours before the departure of flight time. But in Hajj House, Hajj flight is chartered exclusively, and one terminal exclusively made from the airport authorities for the Hajj pilgrims exclusively. But according to the Hajj committee, what they are programming, they are claiming that they have made so many easy facilities for the Hajj pilgrims, but they held up from 10 to 12 hours before their departure flight. It should be reduced. And the departure time should be directly 3 to 3.5 hours. It is enough for the baggage, for the luggage and everything. And the one most typical thing what Hajj House Hajj committee want to perform is they are providing so many good facilities over Hajj House. Just I want to clarify, is there any option for departure and embarkation from a cellar? You are providing an embarkation from a cellar of a Hajj House building for international flight for the Hajj, Holy Hajj. And where in the cellar there are 350 to 400 pilgrims, maybe more than the volunteers and the officials will be present over there in the cellar. And after that immigration, no one should go outside that. And within that, if someone is looking over there, just go into the cellar and check it out. There are only 3 to 5 toilets for these all 8 to 10 hours they have to head over there. Just we are saying that the Hajj committee should stop. The Hajj committee should stop the cellar departure, and all the luggage and everything is going on in cellar. The luggage is going on cellar, and all the performance of program is going on in the open areas like portico, like parking, and every open place. They are providing the arrangements of the Hajj pilgrims. And another thing, the teaching classes are going on in different places of the city. Why these teaching classes should not be going on into the Hajj House itself? There should be a good reason for the Hajj House which they have made, but they are not maintaining the same. And the building, what you are calling is 14 floor, 13 floor, 12 floor buildings. The huge building is looking out from outside. But actually the building, more than 60% of that building is occupied and rented out by other offices other than the Hajj performance. And one more thing just I want to know. What is the purpose of Hajj, construction of Hajj House? It is to serve, to facilitate the intending Hajj pilgrims. But the Hajj House building is facilitating for the other purposes. They are let out the whole premises, and there is no place for Hajj pilgrims, and they're forced to stay outside that in the ground, and all the arrangements are going on into the different places, in the cellar, in the parking, in the portico, and in the open areas. Is this the international flight you are organizing? Is this the charter flight, and is this a specific and exclusive departure embarkation flight? Just we have to think about, and we have to revise this. I request the government that just look out, don't go to commitment. Ministers and all, just they come, they will be happy by seeing white ahrams, topis and all. They will be happy that oh, these people are going very good. But they have to think that they also go through the international flights. Everyone goes through the international flight. Will it be possible that for any building cellar, for any parking place, all the embarkation system and the departure arrangements may be going on? And if you are going through the Hajj House, this huge building is on the Razzaq Manzil Waqf property. But the Razzaq Manshai Waqf of Razzaq Manzil is not clear. If you media people go and ask them that the purpose of Razzaq Manzil Waqf property, what they have spent it, what they have earned from that property, and what they have spent for the purpose of Razzaq Manzil Waqf property, that is Mansha Waqf is written over there, is Abdul Razzaq Memorial Library. Not a single book from the construction of Hajj House and crores, lakhs of rupees they have earned, not a single book is purchased from that property. And one more thing, the property is not for the government, and it is Waqf by Abdul Razzaq, Mr. Abdul Razzaq Marhum. And the purpose should be, the Waqf board has to maintain the purpose, Mansha Waqf, of that Waqf property. And if you go through that, you may find there are so many flaws in the maintaining of Waqf property, and where Hajj House is, just let the media people may ask that whether Hajj House is owner, caretaker, or what is that Hajj House, status of Hajj House at Hajj House, at the Waqf board at Hajj House, and what is the status of Hajj committee at Hajj House. After the construction, they have not provided the whole occupancy of Hajj House to Hajj committee. Just we demand that occupy the whole Hajj House building to Hajj committee for facilitating the Hajj pilgrims only. Then it is very easy to have all the facilities to be arranged over there. And where, if you are thinking that it is very needful that there may be a new Hajj House requested, as the Hajj committee requested, I will ask one question: what is the need of new Hajj House? You utilize the current Hajj House in proper manner and utilize both the adjacent properties which have purchased for the cause of facilitating, with the sentiment of cause of facilitating Hajj pilgrims. And where, if you are thinking that it is very needful that there may be a new Hajj House requested, as the Hajj committee requested, I will ask one question: what is the need of new Hajj House? You utilize the current Hajj House in proper manner and utilize both the adjacent properties which have purchased for the cause of facilitating, with the sentiment of cause of facilitating Hajj pilgrims. It is not being in use, and it is sorely we have to say what Muslims are getting. Either you may say it is cheating, or you may say it is fooling the people. People may justify about this. And one more thing, just I want to clarify that the construction of Hajj House involves the donation from Hajj pilgrims also. The construction of Hajj House also have a donation from one Waqf property, one Dargah. They have to clarify that whether that fund of Dargah is donated or that is loaned to Hajj committee. There are so many points which I have raised in this, and one more important point, just I want to elaborate here. During the Hajj House, bring into the notice from last year, but I was told that just I have to clarify this. I have made so many representations to the government of India, and government have issued so many letters and the memos to the state government, to the principal secretary, and I am fighting this for so many years, and Hajj states, Hajj committee states here that there is lack of accommodation due to ABS MFC. This is Hajj committee's letter written to me, which is in reply to Under Secretary to Government, which is for the External Affairs Ministry to Secretary to Government. They are mentioning here that due to the accommodation in Hajj House includes Waqf Board, Urdu Academy, APMFC, DMW, Mass Marriage Committee, and other organizations, due to which lack of accommodation and open space is lacking. And if you think what actually is the purpose of Hajj House, they should be utilized it properly. There is no need of a separate Hajj House. And before 2 years, 2011, Chief Minister announced that they have made an exclusive place. Still, there is no place allotted. There is no Waqf land allotted for Hajj House. One more clarification, just I want to know from the government to whom this whole Hajj House property, the Hajj House building belongs to. It should be clarification, reporting, luggage, everything is outside the building. They have to rectify that, and it is false. It was a conspiracy with whom the Hajj committee and other people who played that game should clarify. I don't want to enter into the matter, but I think just I have to clarify one thing. I fight for the people of reserve category of 83 years age group. They didn't get the reserve seat, and that seat is blocked and handed over to other people. Just I want one clarification whether it is sold out or by influencers allotted to another. In 2012, one 83-year-old female Hajj pilgrim couldn't perform in reserve category. I tried to fight for that, and in that manner, one newspaper of Urdu channel or Urdu newspaper Siyasat also alleged very vividly in the newspaper. I suggest Zahid Ali Khan, go through the truth, find the truth, then publish. Your news published in the Siyasat is a black spot on journalism. I suggest you stop publishing the news, go through and answer the people to whom you supported. I have fight for the people who couldn't get their right of 83 years, even having of 83 years, they couldn't get reserve quota. And you, Zahidullah, you clarify to whom you supported. I have many and more things. If you are telling in the journalism, it's a black spot. I don't want to argue. Just I want to clarify that so many people around over Ajmal also claim that I have done, but the thing is different. I have so many raised, so many points over here. You may go through about it. It's a fact, and Hajj Committee and Government of India should rectify these all. Thanks.
हक की आवाज अक्स टीवी, reaching around the world.